Senator Ping Lacson's reticence on Cavite representative presumptuous remarks linking him to the Discayas and declaring him in cahoots with them was more a 24-hour pause than anything. Today, he posted a cryptic remark online on a pussy gato needing veterinary help for whining no end over nothing, as our Daniel Manalastas lays out in this report.
We're very excited about this measure.
As Baguio City Mayor Benjamin Magalong faced the Senate Committee on Science and Technology, which tackled the Philippine National Budget blockchain bill, he couldn't help but lambast former Representative Zaldico, who is being implicated in the anomalous flood control projects.
Si Zaldico, he did not abandon it. It was a sacrifice. My God! Nagdakaw ka ng bayan, kasi sasabihin mo, it was a sacrifice on your part. And it's not an abandonment. Ganyan na ba kababa yung standard natin sa Kongreso, Mr. Chair? Ganyan na ba tayo kawalang hiya ngayon? Manhid, di ba? Napaka callousness, hypocrisy.
But if Magalong will be asked if the Independent Commission for Infrastructure remains credible,
Oo naman. Ako, naniniwala pa rin ako na magiging maayos pa rin yan. Nung nandun naman kami, wala naman pressure actually. Nakapagtataka lang bakit biglang ayaw ko mag-imbestiga. Nandiyan naman sila, Secretary Babes, si Chairman Reyes, si Ma'am Rusing, at ngayon parating nga si General Asurin. Sa tingin ko, basta tuloy-tuloy lang investigasyon. Huwag lang i-re-rain. Magiging credible yan.
Meanwhile, Senator Mark Villar, a former DPWH secretary, breaks his silence regarding the flood control scandal. Villar said he welcomes and fully supports any investigation and good governance, saying he supports any investigation on the issue. He also clarified that he has no direct or indirect ownership or controlling interest in any company that is involved in DPWH projects. Meanwhile, this post on X of Senate Blue Ribbon Committee Chairperson Panfilo Lacson made the rounds on social media, wherein he asked for help if there is a veterinary clinic with an animal psychiatric ward, saying he has a crazy cat that keeps mewing and annoying dog that keeps barking. Lacson, however, did not name names. Daniel Manalastas from the National TV Network for A New and Better Philippines.